Okay, very good morning, children. See the question, the result 3, the reduction of Cartesian form to vector form to Cartesian form. This is the main. Okay. See, we want to give one example. Given R vector is equal to, what's the equation of straight line passing through the one point and parallel vector is equal to R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Is clear? Here, what's the meaning of A vector? That is, A vector is a one point. Here I will choose x1, y1, z1. Next, what's the meaning of B vector? B vector is a direction ratio. Okay, directions ratios of A vector, B, C. The direction ratio of A, B, C. Here, how to convert the vector form to Cartesian form? What's the Cartesian form formula? X minus x1. Here I will choose the point x1 divided by direction ratio of A is equal to y minus y1 divided by that's point B is equal to az minus az1 by point C. This is a vector to Cartesian. Next, Cartesian to vector form. You understood? Say how to do small one example. You just to think about. Here I will choose R vector is equal to here 3 cap plus j cap minus 4 k cap is equal to plus lambda I into I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus 2 k cap. Is clear? What's the point of x1, y1, z1? That's the point of x1, y1, z1. So what's the point? 3, 1 minus 4. Understood? Now, what's the direction ratio of the given line? A, B, C. Direction ratio of the given line? 1 minus 1, 2. So, direction ratio of the given line. So, how to convert the Cartesian form? What's the format? X minus x1. Here, what's the x minus x1? 3. By ratio 1 is equal to next time. Y minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to az plus 4 divided by 2. This is a vector form to Cartesian form conversions. Clear? Cartesian to vector form. How to convert the Cartesian to vector form? Here, what's the Cartesian equations? X minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to az minus az1 by C. This is a Cartesian equation of the straight line. Now you convert the vector form of the straight line. So here, what are the points? x1, y1, z1. But here the point is x1. That is why I will choose the point A vector is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. This is the vector of point A vector. Next, B is equal to, here B vector is equal to, what's the direction ratio? A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. Okay, what's the formula? That is R vector is equal to here A vector plus lambda B vector. This is a vector equation of the straight line. So you convert the Cartesian form to what form? Converted vector form is easily converted. Okay, this concept based small one example. I will write the one Cartesian form of the equation. Here x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to az plus 4 by minus 1. Is clear? This is a Cartesian form of the equation. Now I convert the vector form. So, but here vector is equal to what's the A vector? What are the points? Here, if you take it plus or minus 1, it will sometimes the results are taking plus 1. Okay, here the plus I cap, here minus. Okay, here the plus 1 I cap is a right or wrong? Because of now, y means x minus x1 divided by A. This is general form of x minus x1 divided by A. But here what symbol will come? Minus will come. Here what symbol will come? Plus. Appa you change the opposite symbol. Minus 1 I cap. Next here minus also. So plus 3 j cap. Next here minus 4 k. That's great. That's the A vector. Next one the B vector, that is direction ratio. What is the direction ratio? 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap. Is clear? So vector form R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. So here just to substitute the value of R vector is equal to what's the value A vector? That is minus I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4k cap into plus lambda into what's the b vector? That is equal to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap. This is a vector Cartesian form to vector form you convert to the straight line. Okay, so understood? Now here this concept based the two example sums are here. What's the example sum? Here the first one and second one. This sum we are asking the many times. After this question also, sometimes you have 2 more question also. Here the board pattern point of view 2 more question, but this concept based many times will come to 1 more question. Many competitive exam. So here first, what's the first question? The Cartesian equation of the line. Here 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 equal to 2z minus 2. Find the direction ratio. Also find the vector equation of the line. Also find the vector equation of the line also. Okay. Here just to find the solutions. First what's the given? 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Is clear? What is the Cartesian form? What is the Cartesian form? X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. This is the Cartesian form of the equation of straight line. So I need here only x only. Coordinate points x1 and y1 order plus or minus no problem. But I need the points x only. Here what's value will come? 6x. So first you will take it 6 common. 6 common. What's the remaining? X minus 2 divided by 6. Is clear? Y means I need the value of x, the frequency of x without any constant. So I need x only. So I will take it. What's the here constant? We will take it common. Similarly, here also, what's the value? 3. Taking 3 common, what's remaining? Y plus 1 by 3. Similarly, taking 2 common, actually z minus 1. So I divided the entire equation divided by 6. Okay? The biggest number I will divide the entire equation. What's the remaining? X minus 2 by 6 divided by 6. Here also already, here 6 also available. Is equal to 3 into y plus 1 by 3 divided by 6. Is equal to again 2 into z minus 1 divided by 6. You got simplify the concept. X minus 2 by, here 2 by just to simplify. What's the value? 1 by 3 divided by 1. So cancel. Here 6. Next here 3, how many times? 2 times. Upper here y plus 1 by 3 by 2. Okay, simplify same, you got to simplify. Here how many times? 3. That's the value of z minus 1 divided by 3. This is the equation of the straight line. Okay. Now what's the my questions? Find the equation of the vector equation first, and I need the direction ratio also. That's clear. Now here what are the direction ratio? 1, 2, 3 is the direction ratio of the given line. Therefore, what are the conclusions? The direction ratios is sometimes many books are written in the short form TRS, that is direction ratios. Okay, here what's the meaning? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the A, B, C. It's clear the direction ratio of the given lines. So what's the vector of A vector? Just will think about A vector. Just will convert it. What's the value? 1 by 3. I cap, what are the points? Here plus 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3? Here minus, I take it minus 1 by 3 j cap. Okay, here plus k cap. Now what's the format? Vector equation R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. This is the formula. So substitute the value. R vector is equal to A vector. So that is 1 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap plus k cap. Plus lambda into what's the B vector? Here direction ratio. That's the meaning of I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. This is the direction ratio. Okay. This is the equation of the straight line in vector form. So the given problem, some given data is given. So with some simplification, we get the Cartesian equations. The Cartesian equation, what's the direction ratio? That is 1, 2, 3. Next, the direction ratio will convert the vector form. Okay, Cartesian form to convert the vector form. This is one type of problems. It's clear. Here, just note that here the what is the general form of straight line equations? Symmetrical form. Okay, symmetrical form, or another name is Cartesian equation. That is x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C. All are equal. That is equal to some scalar only will come. It's clear? Right. Say the question number 2. Go and say. What's the question number 2? The example 2. Find the directions cosines of the line. Okay, direction cosines of the line. X minus 2 divided by 2. Given data are given. 2y minus 5 by minus 3. Here put comma. Okay, this is semicolon. Here is equal to minus 1. Okay, is equal to minus 1. Find the is not equal. This is not this point here not equal. Find the vector equation of the line. Okay, here equal, but here not equal. This is a book. This examples are R.D. Sarma books are available. Just you will go through it R.D. Sarma. Same way. Here, what's the given equations? X minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2y minus 5 divided by minus 3. Here, what's the value? Z is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to minus 1. Just to simplify the given equations, equal to you find the equal to x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2y minus 5 divided by 3 equal to I subtract minus 1 to here plus 1. That's mean z plus 1 divided by what's the value? Here 0. Why sir? You will put 0. Okay, you will put the this 0 by any number. So infinity, you say that infinity. Here is a symmetrical form. Okay, this is our direction ratio on values. But here, how do you say that there is a value equal to 0? So no problem. This value equal to some scalar. It's clear? Some scalar lambda or something. Okay, I will go to this value simply scalar means z plus 1 divided by 0 is equal to some scalar will come. So just will multiple. But here z plus 1 is equal to 0. What's the value of z? Z is equal to minus 1. This value will come. Understood? Next. Okay, so understood this concept? There's a many times this type of problems will come. It's clear? Now, z plus 1 divided by 0. It's clear? Now, what are the points? Here, what are the points means 2. Here, pi by 2. Why pi by 2 means it's a symmetrical equation x minus x1. What's the formula? X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b. Isn't it? Without any constant x, y, z. But here what's the value will come? 2 only come. So first you take 2 common. But here x minus 2 divided by 2. 2 take it common. What's the remaining? Y minus 5 by 2 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 0. To simplify, x minus 2 divided by 2. Thus 2 will come to the denominator. Y minus 5 by 2 by 3 by 2 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 0. So now what are the points A vector? 2 I cap, that is point 2, 5 by 2, minus 1. Direction is A, B, C, where you will get. So this is the equation of the Cartesian form. So what are the points? Here you will take A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 5 by 2 j cap minus 1 k cap. Okay, here B vector is equal to simplify 2 I cap plus 3 by 2 j cap plus 0 k cap. Just to simplify, what's the format? Correspond to R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. So here A vector, B vector in other words. So what's the vector form? R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Just to substitute the value of R vector is equal to here 2 I cap plus 5 by 2 j cap minus k cap plus lambda into B vector. What's the B vector? 2 I cap plus 3 by 2 j cap plus 0 k. So this is vector equation of the straight line equations. Okay. So what are the other question here? This question is find the direction ratio. Okay, find the direction ratio. The given problem, what's the direction ratio? That is 2, 3 by 2, 0. Here what's the meaning? 2, 3 by 2, 0 is the direction ratio of the given line. But the given question you are asking directions cosines. So what are the given? The direction ratio. Okay, the directions ratio. The directions ratio. Okay, ratio is, what's the direction ratio? Is 2, 3 by 2, next 0. Okay, this is the direction ratio of the given problem. So how to find the direction cosines? Well, we know that that's a value divided by the magnitude. This is the direction cosines. So over here 2 divided by what's the here? Here magnitude 2 square plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 0 square. Is clear? Come on, again what's the meaning? 3 by 2 same similar 2 square plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 0 square. Here come on value 0. Just it will simplify. Here what's the meaning? 4 plus 9 by 4 square root. Here 16. About 25 divided by 4 square root, that is 5 by 2. About simplify 2 divided by 5 by 2. Clear? Next 3 by 2 divided by again 5 by 2, that's the value of 0. Simplify the concept 4 by 5. Next the 2 2's to cancel, but the remaining 3 by 5, that's the value of 0. What is the conclusion? The directions cosine. The directions cosine is also meaning 4 by 5, comma 3 by 5, comma 0. This is the directions cosines of the given line. Is clear? Thank you, children.